Let's be honest, starting a business in Nigeria is hard, but keeping it alive, that's where most people fail. And it's usually not because the idea is bad, it's because of these three painful mistakes I see every day. Number one, invisibility. You have a shop, you have stock, you have skills, but nobody knows you exist. Take this example. You have a booker that sells the most amazing jollof rice, but you are only feeding your streets because you are not online, or you think abeg it's just a booker or na mama put. You believe the money you're making daily is enough. But what if I told you that you could make double or even triple that income? Look at most restaurants or eateries with average food. They get tons of orders daily and even sell out sometimes. Why? Because they are on Google Maps, Instagram, and everywhere their customers are. In 2026, if you are not searchable, you are not sellable. Your customers are on their phone, not walking down your streets. Number two, no system, just hustle. Too many businesses, too many people run their businesses from their head. No records, no customer list, no follow-up. I know a phone dealer in Computer Village. It makes 2 million a month, but can't tell its profit. Why? Every naira that comes in gets spent. No bookkeeping, one bad month, and is borrowing to restock. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And if you can't manage it, it will eventually collapse. Number three, competing on price, not value. Go to a free market, 20 shops selling the same bag. So what do? Fight over who is cheaper. Today you sell for 15,000 naira. Tomorrow your neighbor drops to 13,000. Next week you are both selling at a loss just to survive. Meanwhile, one smart shoe vendor brands as the comfy office heels, add nice packaging, tells a story, and sell the same shoe for 25,000. She's not in a price war because she built a brand. If the only reason people buy from you is because you are cheap, you will never build wealth. So why are most businesses failing in Nigeria? They are invisible, they have no system, and they have no brand. The product is not your problem, the business is. Fix your visibility, track your numbers, build a brand, and people will trust. Because prayer without strategy is just noise. In this economy, only the structure will survive. Now, here's what I want you to do. If you're struggling with your business, or you need strategy, clarity, or real solution, this is for you. I am offering a free visibility audit for businesses right now. All you have to do is click the link in my bio and sign up today. I will personally review your business and show you exactly where you're losing money and how to fix it. No guesswork, no fluff, just real practical insight. So don't wait. Click the link in my bio, sign up, and let's fix your business visibility. Because the longer you stay invisible, the more money you leave on the table. I am Flowealth, the visibility queen. I will help give your business the visibility that it needs. Remember, your business is our business. Contact us today, and I'll see you soon.